So, this is the Performing Arts Center. This is the live room. In here we have drum sets, keyboards, pianos, guitars, bass, and all of the equipment to record it all in the studio room. Yo, Eva, what are you doing?
Nothing, except for playing the piano.
That makes sense. What do you like about the pack?
I like to play music, and it's private space to play music.
What classes do you have here?
I have jazz ensemble, so sometimes I just stay afterwards because that's like what I'm doing now.
This is the studio room, and here we have all of the equipment used to record the music in the live room. We run on Logic Pro X, and we offer music production classes at Darrow. Yo, Fred, Tyler, what are you working on?
I'm just making some beats.
Can you show us?
Yeah, sure. Come on in.
Awesome. What equipment is this?
This is an Ableton Push. It's really nice for beginners who don't know a lot about music but just want to have fun with things. So it's really easy to just tap in the sounds you want. So I want these here, something like that, and then you can go through and you can just really make anything you want. It's a great experience and a lovely technology to have.
That's sweet. Along this wall, we have multiple practice rooms that are semi-soundproof, so we can all practice at the same time and not bother each other too much. And this is the classroom space in the pack. Here are where most of the film classes are held, along with the central point for some of the music classes. We have a lot of film equipment in here as well, with different cameras, DSLR cameras, different lenses, stands, and that kind of thing.